I want you to know about this from the bottom of my heart. Diet culture disregards your hunger or asks you to suppress it. No, 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 and no. Number one, I have a visceral response to this because of all the years I tried to go hungry myself and what a disaster that was. You're really just setting yourself up for a boomerang. And if you've experienced this before where you tried to stick to a diet, but you got hungrier and hungrier, and then you went off the diet and ate a whole bunch, like the feed bag was on, that's actually a very normal reaction to hunger. You are not supposed to go hungry. You are not supposed to disregard your hunger. And further, you actually need to learn how to honor your hunger, which I'll talk about under sustainable weight loss a little bit more. But the diets, conveniently or inconveniently, just don't really mention the hunger thing or mention it a little bit, or but they don't actually teach you how to manage, tune in, and respect your hunger. And respecting your hunger is a big word. It actually has a lot in there. It's foundational to my approach to make your hunger the central to your life, actually. And how do you honor it? Through your the way you live and your food choices and all kinds of things. But here we're talking about how to spot a diet. And it's very clear to me if the idea of being hungry is just swept away, i.e., 1,200 calories, then you are being asked to abuse your hunger. You are asked to disregard it, and your brain is never going to put up with that. Your brain is not going to allow this to happen. So if there's no discussion on hunger management, that is most likely, or respecting your hunger or inviting your hunger in, think about that, then you are on a diet. I hate to tell you that, but you're on a diet and it won't last because your brain knows better than you do.